Well, the lab is hopping today. I'm prepping for a whole bunch of new videos. Uh, got a whole bunch of stuff going on, a whole bunch of stuff in the works. And this week I don't have class this weekend, so I'm trying to get some stuff out of the way and get some stuff up for you guys. Um, been making lye soap, been making black salve, been making pelt dressing, been making a little bit of everything. Got some repairs I got to do to my laser. Uh, and I'll probably take you guys along on the ride for some of this stuff. And as you can see from this following picture, I got a lot of work to do this week. As you can see from the picture, I got a lot of components going on. This week I'm making a black drawing salve. Uh, that's good for skin irritations, bites and stings kind of stuff. So we got that stuff going on. I've got a regular skin salve that I do that's a bite and sting kind of thing. Skin irritations. So we're going to be doing some of that this week. I'm still waiting on some things to come in that I had to order. Some essential oils and things like that, because I hate making essential oils. It's a long process making essential oils, so I generally just buy that when I need it. I've got lye soap that I'm making. These pink cherries right here behind me. That's my first batch of lye soap for the day. I'm just seeing how it comes out. Kind of messing with the formulation a little bit. So we'll see how it comes out. Any of you guys that are coming to the folk skills class next weekend, you'll see the lye soap again, because we're going to do that. What else are we doing at the folk skills class? We're doing candle making and weaving and all kinds of stuff. It's a great arts and crafts class for your bushcraft skills coming up. What else have I got going? I made some infused oil. I've got a video on that. You guys can go back and check out how to make infused oils. It's in the medicinal plants playlist, I believe. So as always, I've got some product videos I got to do. As a matter of fact, I'm making the black drawing salve in my new little tiny Pathfinder 1-liter bush pot. So it's getting its workout today. Got its virginity taken with black drawing salve. Sorry. I'll do a side-by-side comparison on the new 10-inch skillet and the 8-inch skillet. So that'll be coming up. I've got to run new water lines for cooling my laser tube on this thing, because I've had some mice get in there and help themselves to the water tubes to get a little drink, which was sad because it made me have to replace my power supply, because one of them leaked right on top of the power supply. So I've been without my laser. So Monday I'm going to be dropping off fix and wax and cutting boards at SRO. So if you guys have been waiting for that stuff, it'll be in stock next week. I'm dropping it off on Monday. Use my link in the description if you want to go buy that stuff. That helps me out. Other than that, got some stuff we're putting up on the Etsy store. I don't have a link to that in the description yet. It'll be coming soon. Some of these salves and things that I make, I'm gonna put them on Etsy, and probably some of my older gear and things like that too. So if you want that stuff, it'll be there. Not going to be nearly as dedicated as Sean and Dave are about the Etsy store. I'll be honest with you. Unless, of course, it makes me a lot of money. Then I may actually take interest. Maybe not, though. Let's see. What else was over there in the chair? That's all just components, really, from, other than the silicone tubing and stuff like that. It's component parts for all these things that I'm making now. Let me tell you. Lab smells a lot like pine tar right now from that drawing salve. It'll clean your sinuses out. I'm here to tell you. So that's about all I got for today. So I just want to go get a quick preview video up, what's going on. And I'll throw a little picture of my workbench, things I've got going on right now. Maybe after this. So, Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Thanks for all that stuff. Thanks for using the links in my description box and supporting the channel that way. And some things are going to be moving. Some more things are going to be moving to Patreon because they're becoming distasteful for a few folks. My last cigar and whiskey talk got me some phone calls and some messages and things like that. Oh well. Sorry about your luck. Anyhow, see y'all in the woods.